Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own interactive game using Canva AI. It's no coding skills needed, and yes, it's super easy. Okay, let's get started. First, open your Canva and then click on Canva AI and then choose Code for Me. And here you just need to input your prompt describing the game that you want to create. Make sure your prompt is detailed so the AI can generate the game exactly how you imagine it. And to help you write a great prompt, you can also use ChatGPT. You can ask it to optimize your basic idea or even create a full prompt just by explaining the game concepts in general. For example, I I already have my own prompt like this, and I asked GPT to optimize it like this with this prompt. And then now I have a final versions like this, and I will use this one. I will just copy it, paste it on Canva AI like this. But before generate, I will make a few small edits to match my style like this. And once you're happy with the prompt, just click generate. And then wait for the process to finish. And okay, when your game is ready, let's test it out. Okay, the sound is great. But, but actually, the animal picture is a bit weird. But never mind, it still looks good. Oh, okay. Let's try selecting wrong answer. Oh, sounds great. Okay, this is good enough. And if you are not satisfied with the result, you can always edit your prompt and regenerate the game. And then after your game is complete, you can also share it as a website or presentations like great for school projects or content creations or digital products. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.